little tool is going to allow us to play around with our database. It's called Tinker, Tinker. All right. Now we can play with our database. We can create objects, and we can insert data. We can do basically the CRUD, the create, read, update, and delete in the database. And we can even check for relationships. We can do a lot of stuff here without messing around with routes or the browser or anything like that. So let's go ahead and see how we can access this little tool that is really handy. It comes really handy, right? So what we do is we say PHP artisan Tinker, enter, and now we are inside Tinker. You see this? The shell, PHP, it tells you the PHP version is used by Justin Hileman, whatever. Hileman. Alright, so how do we play with Tinker? Let's actually insert some data, okay, in our table. Let's actually look at our table before we do that. So we have 3 records here, okay? We're gonna insert a 4th record so that way you can see that it does work, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a variable in Tinker, alright? And then I'm gonna access the namespace of the model we want to use, which is post. Then we're gonna call the create method, which is static method, right? And I'm just gonna go like this. It's basically the same thing we do in the route, but inside Tinker. So we're gonna put the title PHP from PHP post from Tinker. Okay. With the content, this is gonna take an associative array. Remember that. And here is PHP content from Tinker, something like that. I'm just playing around with it. Enter. We have an error there. Let's go back, and we have content. Oh, the reason why it's doing this is because we don't have an array here. Alright, so make sure you have an array. There we go. Enter. And now you can see that we have a new title, right? I mean a new post with ID number 5, and you can see this information here. Now if you want to access that again, if you want to see it, you can click on, you can write post and click enter again, and it will give you that article again that you just created, the post. So we come here to the PHP My Admin, refresh, you can see that new data here. Now you can also now play around with it before entering data. So you can say I'm gonna create another post here, and I'm just gonna say I'm just gonna create the object, okay, like this. Enter. Oops. Define constant. Alright, so I'm gonna create this real quick. Post. Oh, I was forgetting something. I knew it. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Just gotta say new post. Okay, so I just created an object with new post, right? So now if I want to see the object, I go post, enter, and that's the object. Now we can go ahead and access the properties like this, and we can assign values to them. So I can say new title from this object. Yay. I'm not gonna say yay. Enter. Now you can see that if I try to pull up the object, we have a type for that object, right? Now keep in mind that this has not been persisted. It has not been entered into the database yet. So let's refresh, and you can see that it's not here. So we can play around with this. We can build the object and not put anything there. So I can come here again, and I can say content. Yeah, baby. I'm coding. Actually, I gotta escape that. I'm coding. Actually, I don't have, because I already have double quotes, but that's fine. I'm coding and doing awesome or something like that. That's cool. Enter, and I can see if we pull out that object, now we have 2 pieces there of information, right? We have the title and we have the content. If you want to save it to database, super simple. Post, and then we call the save method, right? Enter. Oops. Parse syntax unexpected. Oh, I forgot my $sign. Enter is true. That means it was saved. Okay, we can bring it back, and as you can see, it has been saved with updated and created at and everything. If we go back to PHP My Admin, we click refresh, and we can see that new data having entered with all the fields that we need. Pretty cool stuff, right? But anyway, on the next lecture, I'm going to show some more Tinker commands and how we can do other things with data, which is pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.